And yes, Eden Hazard is the latest Premier League Hall of Fame. That fantastic goal he scored against Arsenal that year. Wow. Wow. Individual brilliance, entertaining football, fantastic play. Wow. Wow. Fantastic goal. Many of us know this guy. Dribbling wise, he was there. Beautiful football, scoring of goals. Well deserved, Eden Hazard. Well deserved. Well deserved. Remember, he scored over 100 goals for Chelsea, winning multiple titles at the same time. Well deserved. The latest Premier League Hall of Fame, Eden Hazard. Well deserved. Fantastic player.